Come back, puppy.
Not yet. I don't want them back.
Come here, puppy. Puppy, come here. Oh. Hey, I am about to go into the bank and I was just driving and I was just vibing so hard and I was so excited because like it's just that day where every car around you, like they're driving with you. It's like everyone's in tune and it was so crazy and I was just like so pumped because everything was flowing like on yield lanes. Everyone was doing like the zipper method. I was like, hell yeah. It was so hype. I don't know if anyone has ever experienced that, but it was definitely like a moment of bliss. Like I could not believe it. Like, and this went on for a good 15 minutes. Every single person on the road around me, they were all driving in sync and they turned on their signals and they like moved when they were supposed to, and they were supposed to like the person in the front like makes the first move that everyone else follows. It was so sick. I was like, there's no way this is like ever gonna happen again. It was like ridiculous. It was crazy. Oh my gosh. And then also, this Mustang just pulled up to me. Mustang GT, I believe it's a 07 or 06, I don't know. But when I was back in another city, I saw 2 white Corvettes riding back to back and they were just chilling. It was crazy. I was like, how likely is for that to happen for me to see 2 black and white Corvettes at the same time? Like, I was like, there's no way. What else did I see today? I saw, what did I see? What did I see? Oh, I saw another Corvette, but that Corvette was dark gray. It was so mean. And I was like, damn, I'm not gonna be able to see it because like we like merged a ways, and I was like, damn, I'm not gonna see it again. But I went a back way and he was also going that back way. And I was like, it's so mean. Like that was probably the meanest Corvette I've ever seen. And I'm getting also a lot of like, before I did like a poll on my Instagram. If you guys already follow me, if you don't, I normally put it at the end of my videos. But on my Instagram, I put a poll whether or not to sell my 03 for a 98 Mustang. And at one point it was 50-50 and I was like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. And then now a couple days later it's at like 40% no, like don't do it, and like 60% like do it. No, it was the other way around. It was like 40% said no, don't sell my car, and then 60% no. Oh my god. 40%, 60% said keep your car. Something like that. I don't know. I like literally can't wrap it around my head. But so yeah, I was actually no one knew this, but I was actually trying to sell this car because it would be more of a beneficial move for me, because I would be able to have a new manual Mustang, because this is an automatic and I really want a manual so bad. I'm really about to practice with one hand shifting. Like, it's crazy. It's gonna be so sick. Like, I'm so excited. It's so rare. I would be able to start working on it, sort of. I'm like itching to mod out this car. I was gonna like straight pipe it, do a lot of things to it. And I was so excited, and every time I see something, I'm like, oh, I wanna change something, mod it out. But I can't because it's an automatic, so I would rather invest my money in the car that I really am gonna keep for a long time. I'll see you guys later. This is so exciting. Yeah. I have burn proof on my car. away and everything, but I am speechless. I cannot tell you guys right now, like, what just happened. Like, the greatest thing happened to me right now. Bless this guy with so much positive everything. Alright guys, do you want to know what happened? Do you want to know what happened? Alright, so if you do follow me on Instagram, I think actually, I don't know if I put a picture up of me saying, oh, like I have to get an oil change, or like getting an oil change. So I had to get an oil change. I'm like 2,000 miles over. And I can't change it myself because I have my broken arm, right, and my cast. This guy was showing me the prices. First, it was $45, and then I had like a $15 coupon for it being like my first time. Already right there, it was at, I think, $35. And then he gave me like his employee discount, and then it was at like $25 or something like that. And then like when I went to go check out, he was like, this is gonna be your total. And it said 49 cents. Guys, I literally paid 49 cents for my 2003 Ford Mustang to have an oil change. Does that happen? I was like so confused. I was like, wait, no. And it was so hard for me to believe that like that was my price. I was like, no way, there's no way you can do that. I was like, I don't want you to get in trouble. I was so scared. I paid 49 cents for my oil to be changed.